This tutorial will show you how to copy an event from one calendar to another. When you are viewing multiple calendars, you may want to take an event and place it on multiple calendars. An example of this is a calendar that has been shared with you. If you look in the bottom left-hand corner of my screen, you can see that there's a calendar called Technology Projects that has been shared with me. Oftentimes this calendar gets very full with events, and I don't want to have it cluttering up my screen, frankly, with all of the things that are happening and that may not pertain to me. However, there are some events that show up on this calendar that I want to make sure I see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an event from this calendar and copy it up to my calendar that I leave visible all the time, which happens to be my work calendar. So I'm going to show you how to copy an event from one calendar to another. In order to do this, you have to see the event and click on the event to open the Edit Event Details window. Once you do this, in the upper right-hand corner of the window, there's a menu called More Actions. When you click on that, you can see that you can copy that event from any of the calendars that you have available to you to edit. I'm going to take this event and copy it from the Technology Projects calendar to my work calendar, which is called Desiree Caskey. Once I do that, I click Save, and notice in my window, because I'm currently viewing both calendars, it shows up twice. Once in blue for my work calendar, which is my calendar, and once in red, which is a shared calendar that I may turn off and on periodically. This is how you copy an event from one calendar to another.